the sound t and t, d. The sound t. Beginning sound t. Tray, twins, taste, team, 12, top. Middle sound t. Stove, mistake, step, stamps, faster. Ending sounds t. Can't, mats, lift, first, last. St or est, st or est. Biggest, smallest, best, happiest, smartest. Ts sound ts, bites, bats, coats, rests, cats. Read and point. Bites, bats, coats, rests, cats. Read and point. Biggest, smallest, happiest, best, smartest. Read and point. Can't, mats, lift, first, last. Read and point. Stove, mistake, step, stamps, faster. Read and point. Tray, twins, taste, team, 12, top. Ask and answer. How many cats and coats can you see? I can see 10 cats and 6 coats. How many stamps and mats do you have? I have 12 stamps and 10 mats. Who is the best and smartest in your class? It's me and the twins. The sound d, d. Beginning sound d. Date, dark, dress, drive, day. Middle sound d. Older, body, lady, daddy, buddy. Ending sound d. Dad, bed, sad, bad, mad. D or ed. Cried, played, hugged, rode, called. Planted, carried, invited, tasted, greeted. Read and point. Played, hugged, called, rode, cried. Planted, invited, carried, tasted, greeted. Dad, bad, bed, mad, sad. Read and point. Body, lady, daddy, buddy, older, dress, day, date, drive, dog. How many dress have you got? I've got 12 dress. Who is your best buddy? My older brother is my best buddy. Have you tasted the apple? Yes, and I liked it. Are you afraid of the dog? No, I'm not if I'm with my daddy. Pronunciation, the sound t and d.